Imagine a time when blank spots still remained on the world map. The end of the 19th century. Africa was almost entirely explored, but in the very heart of the continent, in the impenetrable Ituri jungles, legends circulated about a forest horse. Local pygmy tribes spoke of a strange creature that no European had ever seen. Scientists laughed, calling it fairy tales similar to legends of unicorns. But in 1901, the world was rocked by a sensation. It wasn't a myth. It was the Okapi. Today, we journey into the darkest corners of the Democratic Republic of the Congo to uncover the secrets of the most elusive animal on the planet. Sir Harry Johnston, the British governor of Uganda, was a man who believed in the impossible. After receiving scraps of striped skin from the pygmies, he initially thought it was a new species of zebra. But when he finally obtained the animal's skull, the truth was even more stunning. It wasn't a horse or a zebra. It was a living relative of the giraffe, thought to have been extinct for millions of years. The Okapi became the last large mammal discovered by science. It was as shocking as if a living dinosaur were found in the Amazon rainforest today. The Okapi's appearance is baffling. The head of a giraffe, the body of a horse, and zebra stripes on its legs. Why such strange camouflage? The stripes on the hind legs help calves follow their mothers in the dark, dense forest. They are like beacons. But the most amazing part is their tongue. Blue, long, up to 14 inches, and incredibly flexible. An Okapi can use it not only to pluck leaves, but also to clean its own ears and eyes. Okapis live in only one place on Earth, the Ituri forest in the DR Congo. This is one of the most inaccessible places on the planet. Constant humidity, dense vegetation where sunlight barely reaches the ground. Okapis are the ghosts of these forests. They are so cautious that they can stand perfectly still for hours, merging with the shadows of the trees. You will never hear an Okapi speak. For a long time, they were thought to be mute. However, recent studies have shown that they communicate using infrasound, frequencies that the human ear simply cannot perceive. This allows them to transmit messages over long distances through dense thickets without attracting the attention of predators, leopards. Unlike their giraffe relatives, Okapis are fiercely solitary animals. They meet only for mating. Each Okapi has its own territory, which it marks with secretions from glands on its feet. They are true hermits who value their space above all else. Okapis eat over 100 species of plants, many of which are poisonous to humans. Furthermore, they eat charred wood after forest fires and a special salty clay. This helps them obtain necessary minerals and neutralize toxins from the leaves. An Okapi calf is a marvel of nature. It spends the first few weeks of its life in a nest, dense thickets where it lies perfectly still while the mother forages. Remarkably, Okapi calves do not defecate for the first 4 to 8 weeks of life. This is an evolutionary tactic to prevent predators from finding them by scent. Unfortunately, the forest unicorn is threatened with extinction. Civil wars in the DR Congo, illegal gold, and coltan mining, which is in your smartphone, are destroying their home. Poaching for meat and skins also reduces their numbers. Today, it is estimated that only 10,000 to 35,000 individuals remain in the wild. The Okapi is a symbol of how little we still know about our planet. It is a living link to the past that we risk losing forever. By saving the Okapi, we save the entire ecosystem of the Ituri forests, the lungs of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to learn more about the wonders of Africa.